Hello, hello.
Hi.
Awesome. Hi, Shervin. Welcome to your Brava onboarding.
So, are you saying this is kind of like the Tesla of cooking devices?
In today's video, we are unboxing the Brava Home. Bam! This is the massive Brava Home. Essentially, it's like a Tesla of ovens. Today, I'm gonna show you what's in the box. I'm gonna try to cook some eggs. Let's see how it goes. This box is massive and heavy, I'll tell you that much. Another box within a box. Okay. Maybe it's a two-person job. Or you just gotta flip it. Okay. So it's a box within a box. Let's see how many boxes there are in here. That's the real question. Home cooking simplified. So this is essentially the Tesla of ovens, I would like to say. They use light to cook your food, heat it up. They've got a plethora of options. It's totally new and different technology. But yeah, lift with care. I don't know if I did that right. Place it on the countertop 4 inches from any surface, including walls. Plug directly into an outlet. Don't use an extension cord, and make sure that it has its own outlet because it needs a lot of juice. And then there's a Brava app that you need to download as well. Because you know, if it ain't smart, we don't use it. What's included? So we get the Brava glass tray, temperature sensor, and a metal tray. And lots of cardboard. Woo!
Are you kidding me? It's plastic.
All right, here it is. Not as heavy as I thought it was gonna be. This right here is the Brava Home, the at-home oven. This is the silver one. You can open it up, right? You got your little tray. It's got a camera inside at the very top, as well as all the different lights. It's got a button on the top here. It's screen. As you can see on the top right there, it's got that interesting little texture, as well as a circular button and a little tiny screen. I don't know why, but maybe the bottom looks cool. You've got your 4 little mounds and then a classic heavy duty power cable. They said you can use a 15 to 20 amp outlet. I don't think we have any 20 amps other than one for the fridge inside of our kitchen. So we will plug this in there. And then I have to plug this in and set this sucker up. So let's do that while we're in here. Let's set this bad boy up and then we'll move it after the fact. So I'll tell you one thing, the cable is approximately 2 to 3 feet, so it's got to be close to a power outlet. Boom, it's booting up. Welcome. So we tap start, accept the terms of service. We'll connect to the Wi-Fi. So it is now connecting to the network. And I'm gonna pop up a screen recording as well. Boom, so we've also got the screen recording. We connected to the Wi-Fi. I've set up the app. You can see kind of all of the different meals that they have, right? They've got getting started videos, what's new, how-to videos, recipe tutorials, brunch favorite, weeknights, accessory spotlight. The software is updating. I think we've officially come to the day where our home appliances now need software updates. But the great thing about this is, and I say it's like a Tesla, 1, because it's drastically different than a conventional oven, and 2, it gets software updates. They're always adding new features, and this product will be improving over time, just like a Tesla has its own updates and it improves over time. But you can go ahead and search their different Brava recipes. You've got like chef's picks, dietary preferences, ingredient types, tray types, right? So I have the egg tray, glass tray, and the metal tray. Not the other ones, maybe I'll get them. If you want to see that video, let me know in the comments below. I have my favorites, and then there you go, Shervin Shares Chef. So I don't know if you can follow me or not on this app, but that is my profile. Tips and tricks, this is kind of the app and how it works. Brava Marketplace. They do also have a monthly membership. I think you get 2 years when you first purchase this, and they have 3 different tiers of this that you can buy, and each one just comes with more accessories. As that's updating, I'm gonna open up the other boxes. Here we have temperature sensor tips. Those are some tips for the temperature sensor, how to do like the daily cleaning and deep cleaning. And they do come with this little Brava temperature sensor that you can plug into the actual oven, and you want to insert the entire thing into the meat that you're cooking. And we got a little bit of more cardboard. It's a lot of cardboard, but you know, it's gotta be, you don't want this to break. This is the glass, and you can see it's labeled 1, 2, 3. I don't know if you can kind of see that right there. Those are the different rows for different kinds of food, right? You would put either all your food in each of the columns, or depending on kind of the settings that you put. It's how you want to set it up. We've got this little getting to know Brava, getting started with Brava, as well as like a whole bunch of different meal and options that they give you, and they kind of tell you how to fill it up. We'll go through that when I do a more extensive video on this, so make sure to subscribe and like so you can see that. And then here's the metal tray. We also have it numbered, as you can see right there, 1, 2, 3. So you want your food to kind of be within those lines depending on which tray you're putting it on. Finally, they were nice enough to also send me the egg tray because I love eggs. Who doesn't?
I'll fix you some eggs.
I also think this tray is going to be my favorite. This came in a different box, separate. Bam! More cardboard. Everything must be protected, but this is the egg tray. You can actually create poached eggs in this. You just want to put your eggs in a little bit of water, and bam, you've got poached eggs. So those are the 3 accessories that I have: metal, glass, egg tray, and then we have the actual oven, which is updating. Now I gotta sign into my Brava account on it, so let me do that. Never thought I'd see the day where I'd be signing into my oven, quote unquote oven. It's not a real oven, it's a future oven. But when am I gonna be signing into my fridge? Imagine you gotta log into all these devices. That'll be the world, won't it? All right, we're signing in to the Brava oven, so come check it out here. As you can see, bada bing, bada boom. Now I can go ahead, update my time zone. We are in Los Angeles. Oh, now we gotta restart. What a joy. Brava. Sick. So now see, I got new multi-step recipes, sesame chicken. So that's kind of the benefit of the software updates. We can cook recent favorites. I can search, sear, toast, bake, and reheat. Brava air fry, dehydrate settings, slow cook, keep warm, pro cook, custom cook, and support. So if I want to go ahead and search, we've got a whole bunch of recipes, holy moly, that you can make inside of this. So what I'm gonna do is take this to the kitchen and plug it in and try to make some poached eggs. Okay, where can we put this oven?
What is it?
It's the oven.
Put it in the middle of
The middle?
Is it oven or is it a toaster?
It's all of them. You can make it's an oven, it's an air fryer, it's a reheater, it's everything. Yeah. Should we make some? Oh, the cable's not long enough. I'll have to put it this way. Okay, we're gonna do reheating pasta on the egg tray. We'll close it, press the green button to start. It says reheating. We did 2 minutes. It's counting down. The camera doesn't show anything. Oh, the app shows reheating. So I pressed this button, it went from green to red. There's a reheating sign. Oh, there we go. Look, you can see your pasta. Come look. Shows it in the app. There it is. The pasta's reheating. Oh, the light's on. Does it look good? You want it crispy? Oh, the light's turned off. We can add 30 seconds on this button if I really wanted to. 1 minute left. Preheating complete. Open door and check your food before continuing. Okay, sizzling. I hear sizzling. How does it look?
2 more minutes.
What do you mean 2 more minutes?
I need it to be a bit more crispier, can
Are
I?
you sure? How do you know how crispy it is?
I can tell.
You can tell it's not crispy enough? So reheat more. 2 more minutes? Okay.
Just 2 more minutes, please, I promise.
So we're gonna select 2 minutes. We press the green button. Starts, cook, pause, see Brava, reheating started, sends me a notification, shows me the food. Here it goes. All right, it's almost done. It's turning orange. Boom. Preheat completed. Open it before. Open it, you can hear the sizzling, the light. Oh, we need a glove to grab it, don't we?
Still could have gone for 2 more minutes.
Oh my. Is it reheated properly?
Ooh.
All of it?
Huh?
Not just the top?
What about the top?
Everything is reheated?
Yeah.
All right, done. Okay, let's make some eggs. Poached eggs. Boom. Search. We have the option for fried eggs, poached eggs, eggs and bacon, hard-boiled eggs, eggs and toast,
I think
strata, frittata, poached eggs.
poached egg needs water. But
Helpful tips. No oil or butter is necessary. Place 3 tablespoons water in indicated cup on Brava egg tray. Crack eggs into cups with water.
cups with water? Or
So 3 tablespoons per egg.
1, 2,
How many eggs?
4.
4 eggs? 1. So we'll do 1, 3, 4 eggs. Add the water. Break the eggs. 2, 3.
Was it this way or the other way? This way?
Yeah. The long way. 4 eggs. Top shelf. Slide the egg tray onto the top shelf. Is this the top shelf?
Yeah, there's no more shelf.
Yeah, there's 2 shelves. Top shelf. Okay. Now we close. Here we go home. Search. Eggs. Poached eggs. Okay, there we go. Press green button to start cooking. 4 eggs. Cooking poached eggs. The camera shows them. The app shows my notifications. Poached eggs started. Okay, there we go. Oh, updated, boom, boom. Pretty on sync with each other. Just like that, now it's cooking. It's a little delayed, half a second, but it's cooking. We'll be back in 5 minutes. As you can see, the poached eggs, we're about to have some poached eggs ready and cooked and perfectly done.
It was like a few minutes later.
And poached eggs completed at 5:13. Open the door, you get the notification. Open sesame. Oh!
Someone's downstairs.
How do they look?
Poached.
Poached eggs, wow, look at it, look at them. Wait, how was the eggs?
Super good.
Super good?
Really? Let me see.
Time to try the poached eggs. They're slippery. Very well cooked. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. So the eggs turned out amazing, poached eggs. I think the convenience factor is just ultimate. It's just so easy. Literally put a little bit of water, the eggs in, put it in, press go, and then you have really nice poached eggs. They tasted great, and they just kind of, when you cracked it open, boom, it was just so nice. So I think the convenience factor of using this, the Brava oven, is just next level. As someone who doesn't enjoy cooking too much, this is something that can make things super easy. So I'm just really excited to try it out and give a full-on review. So make sure to subscribe so you can see that longer term video. Let me know in the comments, what do you want to know about this product? I'll see you in the next one. Peace.